Design following the human engineering mechanics, more suitable for manicure and pedicure. Fashionable style, smooth surface and comfortable feel. Necessary and useful tool for nail art. Made of high-quality stainless steel for safe use. Easy to clean for using in various sanitary places to keep health and safety. Provide you with a convenient small bag. High hardness, no distortion and no rust for a long time use. Sturdy and durable. Double-ended design, each tool has multiple functions. Useful tool set to push up cuticle around nails and residual nail polish, clean up dirt in nail crevices. Different shapes of cleaner heads too. Through high-standard hand-sharpened and grinded, the tool is suitable for trimming small, narrow and hard-to-reach areas and it won't hurt your nails. Design of anti-skid handle more easier to use. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome product. They work well but are a little small in comparison to other tools. They are better for someone with smaller hands.